Howdy, Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and this is a 250 SE. But if you're got a 220 SE, 280 SE, even a V8 car, and it's injected. What they have is what's called a cold start valve. On the 6 cylinders, it's located right here. One wire and a fuel line. And what this does is similar to an accelerator pump on a carburetor for a carbureted car. What it does is it gives a little squirt of gasoline into the intake manifold so it will start up easier when it's cold. Now, lots of times you'll be driving your car, it gets nice and warm, and more so in the summer than winter, you'll shut it off and come back 5 minutes later and you can't get the car started. Well, that's because the timer for this valve is shut off. It's a timer that when it's cold, it's connected. When the timer warms up, it's disconnected. And so often you can't get the engine started. Now, Mercedes issued a bulletin way back years ago with instructions and a little button with wires to alleviate the problem. And basically, you can do the same thing yourself. What you do is run a wire from right here into under the dash, and you can either hook it to a fuse that's hot, or I should say the second wire, the wire from here, you'll run it to under the dash to a push button. The other side of the push button needs to go to a battery positive. So that could be a fuse, or just run a wire to your positive battery connection. I suggest putting an inline fuse in the system. So what that does is it makes it manual. You push on the push button and it will keep squirting gas in until you take your finger off the push button. Now, if that's the only reason why you can't start your engine when it's cold, then when you push on the button for a squirt of gas, you only want to push it for maybe a second or two. You never want to do it for 5 or 10 seconds, or you'll end up with a flooded engine. So, very easy. 2 pieces of wire, a push button, maybe a little bracket to mount the push button under the dash to one side, maybe, and a wire and a fuse to the positive, and your problem will be fixed.